Alright folks, it's a Lazy Gardener here. It is almost May, and as you can see, we're getting ready to transplant. And while if you look real close, you'll notice it's a little drier at this end than if you get at that end where it's nice and moist the closer it is, which is unusual in years past. It's still doing exactly what I wanted it to, which is if I don't water this for a week, it doesn't get dry. You can see there's very little purpling going on, which I've had bigger problems with in the past. But some of these are easily 7-8 inches tall. I'll probably give them one quick last drink before I transplant them, which will be done here today or tomorrow. We'll put them into like 6-ounce cups for individual sale. Of real interest are these. These are super sauces that were started weeks later than the others. While I did not get the white mildew that I expected to get because this one's not in the one with the pine chippings, I am shocked at how fast they grew and got leaves. Also, if you'll recall, when we did the one experiment, the one video, I had one of the potatoes, I don't know what you call it, a stem and eye break off, and I said I was going to put it in this pot, which has been staying moist this whole time. I haven't watered this at all, but you will notice we have fresh plant growth there and fresh plant growth there, so we're going to let it go a little while longer, and then we will plant that potato with the other ones in the other experiment I told you. So it's not totally ideal, but still, this is probably one of the best setups I've had. This is certainly the best growth I've ever had. Cycling the lights with, right now I've got the back lights on, which I haven't been having. Cycling the lights 12 hours a day and having total darkness otherwise has really given me the best growth I have ever seen. So we will definitely do that again next year. Once we're done this transplant, I'll probably go outside to harden, and I can get back to using this area as a wood shop. So until next time.